Hello po sa lahat! For my first ever voiceover video, allow me to share to you ang isa sa mga productive experiences that I had during my last vacation in France. On that vacation, I had a chance para mabisita or magkaroon ng isang olive farm tour. Yes, you heard me right. And it is only 15 to 20 minutes drive kung saan kami natutulog, and then 3 minutes walk uphill. The whole farm consists of a total of 220 olive trees. Today, mag-harvest kami ng green olives para gawing picholine. Ano nga ba ang picholine? Ito ay isang medium-sized brine-cured green olive of French origin. They are harvested by hand while green during the month of September and October. This is widely known as French cultivar of olives. Medyo time-consuming ang pag-harvest nito because you have to check each of the olive fruits if they have an insect bites. Kung meron, so meaning magkakaroon ng uod sa loob ng olive and they are not qualified para gawing picholine, but they are okay for the olive oil. So, pwede pa rin siyang magamit. It's still not a waste. I hope you enjoy watching our olive farm tour, and until to the next